How's it going, beautiful people? Gonna do this part 2 of the unboxing. See how this goes. Obviously, haven't opened it yet, so start this unboxing. Might be a little bit of a long video here. Okay, so it comes in this like sheet of paper of some sort. Okay, guess that's what you get. It's really thin. Really thin. Got the S Pen there. We got, what else we got in here? First box here we got. If I figure out how to open this right. Alright. Okay, you get a cord, obviously. No block, just like anything else, right? I guess you get the key for the SD. Probably a little manual in there or description. Let's take a look. Yeah, just a quick guide, obviously. That's about it. And that one. So yeah. And you got your S Pen. Let's see here. Open this up finally. Sorry for the wait, guys, too, on this stuff. Took me a while to get it, and I've been pretty damn busy. Shit. Okay. Tougher paper than I thought here. What the hell? It's like glue paper or some shit. Okay, just take that out. Pretty nice. Glass front, metal back. It's pretty sleek, actually. Let's see what we got on the outside. We got let's see if I get a good angle. That what? I have no clue what that is. We'll have to look that up. I'm guessing the speakers and possibility that those three dots there probably go on some sort of charging station. Guessing these are the speakers. Let's take a look around here. Oh, those are actually the speakers and the charging port. Let's see what else. Oh, there's your SD card right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it does do eSIM, so it's electronic SIM you can do. Don't know what those are. Looks like camera. You got your volume, obviously, your power button there. You guys can see it. Okay. Alright. Looks like those are the other two speakers up top. And back around to the side. So, looks like, let's see, this is the bottom. Almost looks like there's a button in there, but it's on the screen. That is really weird. There's a camera up top. Let's see if I can get it to you guys there. See that camera there? And then this is the back of it. So you got your flash. I guess that's where your pen goes. Let's check it out. Sorry it's so dark in here, guys. Early in the morning, I'm on the boat. Okay, I guess it's magnetized, which is pretty neat. Alright. Let's see if we can start it. And there it is. Oh, upside down. And you'll be seeing this for the first time, like me. I do have a cellular one, like I said. There's different types. This is connected to my Verizon. Let's see if I can get this to stand up here. Probably not. Hang on. Alright, there we go. Sorry guys, let's move that out of the way there. Alright, what happened here? Sorry guys. Jump new. Alright. Oh, initializing. Okay. The sun's finally coming up anyways. Hope everyone's enjoying their weekend. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you start it. Alright, so I guess we'll be asked what we want to do. We want it on English. I agree. Obviously, we're going to have to agree to all this crap. Agree. Tablet activation. Your tablet is ready for use. According to plan, yeah, whatever. Got unlimited. Easy setup with another device. Galaxy or Android device. I guess you could set it up just as if you got a new device, or you can make it fast. So you could set it up manually and probably take a little longer, but it'll be, you know, with none of your apps or anything. I guess I'm going to go Galaxy device. Let's see if I can do this with you.